Welcome to MarineMax for Royal Beach. Today I'm going to be showing you this brand new Harris 230 Solstice. This boat is equipped with the sterling gray and red stripe black fencing. Really good. One cool feature of this boat I want to show you is this does have the joystick for docking. When we get upside on the top side, I'll show you the joystick. This boat is equipped with a center walk-through layout. Plenty of loungers here all the way around the boat. JL audio speakers. We have the total lighting package inside and out. Move a little forward here. This boat is equipped with the dual helm seats and flip-up bolsters. The helm here, we have a 7-inch sim rod in the dash, JL audio. Here's the joystick that I was telling you about to dock. You can walk this boat sideways, super neat. Just come run and check it out. Move forward, in-floor storage, big subwoofer, more seating, storage under the seats. If you'd like to see this boat, come check us out at MarineMax for Royal Beach.